Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on orifices and mouthpieces. In this video, we are going to find out what is the coefficient of contraction, coefficient of velocity and coefficient of discharge, and what is the head loss due to fluid resistance when nozzle discharges the water. So first I will read what is the given problem. A 25 mm diameter nozzle discharges 0.76 meter cube of water per minute when the head is 60 meter. The diameter of jet is 22.5 mm. Determine the values of coefficients Cc, Cv and Cd and the loss of head due to fluid resistance. So this was the given question. Let us first understand the diagram as per given data. Now it is given that the diameter of nozzle is 25 mm. So here is the nozzle whose diameter is given 25 mm. So we have to convert it into the standard unit, that is 0.025 meter. Now actual discharge. So here it is given that this nozzle discharges the water at the rate of 0.76 meter cube per minute. So what is the standard unit? So standard unit is meter cube per second. So we have to convert this unit in meter cube per second. So we will divide here by 60. So in 1 minute 0.76 meter cube of water is getting discharged. So what is the amount that is getting discharged in 1 second? So we have to divide here with 60 and answer is 0.01267 meter cube per second. Then head is also given. So water head is 60 meter. Then the diameter of jet. So here from this nozzle, here is the jet of water. And what is the diameter of jet? So here diameter of jet is less than the diameter of nozzle. And the diameter of jet, small d, we will consider the notation, that is 22.5 millimeter. So what is the standard unit? That is meter. So we will write here 0.0225 meter. So this is the given data. Now we will first calculate what is the coefficient of discharge, coefficient of velocity and coefficient of contraction. So we will move on first coefficient of contraction. So how to calculate it? So coefficient of contraction is the ratio of area of jet divided by area of nozzle. So here diameters of jet and diameter of nozzle are different. So what is the area? So they both are in circular cross section. So how to calculate it? Pi by 4 d square. So we will take here area of jet, that is pi by 4 small d square, that is we will take d is equal to 0.0225 meter. And then area of nozzle, that is pi by 4 capital D square, that is 0.025 meter. So this pi by 4 is getting cancelled and we have to take the square ratio of square of these diameters and answer is 0.81. Now we will move for coefficient of discharge. So how to write it? Coefficient of discharge CD is equal to actual discharge by theoretical discharge. So here actual discharge is given, that nozzle discharges this 0.76 meter cube per minute. So here standard unit is meter cube per second. So we have to consider or refer this value. Then what is the theoretical discharge? So we know that Q is equal to A into V. So for theoretical discharge, Q theoretical is equal to area of nozzle multiplied by V theoretical. So we have to take here theoretical velocity. So how to calculate it? So theoretical velocity is given by under root of 2gh. So h is here head. So we will refer here as a capital H. So under root of 2gh multiplied by area of nozzle. So area of nozzle pi by 4 capital D square. So here we will take the standard value 0.025 and actual discharge we have calculated here already. So if we take these values and calculate this, we will get answer 0.752. Then the next is coefficient of velocity. So here Cc and Cd is already getting calculated. So there is relation in between CC, CD and CV. So CV is equal to CD by CC. So if we take this CD, that is 0.752 divided by 0.81, then we will get CV 0.928. Now we will move for the second question, that is the loss of head due to fluid resistance. We will consider the section 1 at the outlet of nozzle and section 2 at the jet of water. Now we will apply here Bernoulli's equation at section 1 and section 2. So how to write? So here is the real fluid and that's why there is the loss of head. So we will write here P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 plus loss of head. Now if we observe the section 1 and section 2, both are open to atmosphere. So here pressure head, that is P1 by rho g, is equal to pressure head at section 2, that is P2 by rho g. So both are equal because of atmospheric pressure head, so we will cancel this. Then if we observe this is the outlet of nozzle as well as jet of water, both are at the same level. So here datum head Z1 is equal to Z2. So we have to cancel this. Now what is the remaining equation, that is V1 square by 2g is equal to V2 square by 2g plus loss of head. Now what is this V1? That is the velocity at this nozzle. So this velocity at nozzle, we can say that it is the theoretical velocity which is equal to under root of 2gh. And what is V2? So V2 is the actual velocity, because this velocity at the jet of water, so we can say that is the actual velocity. So how to find out this V2? Because V1 we know that under root of 2gh, where h is the head and that is 60 meter. Now there is the relation in between this theoretical velocity and actual velocity, that is the coefficient of velocity that we have calculated earlier. So CV is equal to actual velocity by theoretical velocity. So what is actual velocity? V2 by V1. So how we can write this V2? V2 is equal to V1 into CV. So V1 is under root of 2gh. So if we put here value of V1 and V2, then what will be the formula here? So V1 is equal to under root of 2gh. So under root of 2gh bracket square by 2g is equal to V2 means under root of 2gh into CV bracket square by 2g plus loss of head. Now we will solve this. So if I take the square for this under root, then it will remain 2gh. Then this 2g is getting cancelled. So here it will become h is equal to. Now here also 2g is getting cancelled. So h is equal to CV square into h, because this 2g is getting cancelled, plus loss of head. Now we have to calculate this loss of head. So we will take this on one side and all the other terms to the other side. So here h minus CV square h, which is equal to loss of head. So this h we can take common. So h in the bracket 1 minus CV square. So h is known, that is 60. CV that we have already calculated 0.928. So when we put here value, we will get loss of head is equal to 8.328 meter. And this is the answer.